Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Today I have a jump pack, Schumacher I think it's called. I know it's a well-known name, but the jump pack, it's about 5 years old, maybe 4 years old. It says that it holds a charge, but it's when you want to jump start it, it's like it dies all right away. It even has a, like, for a cigarette lighter input. And so what I'm thinking, instead of throwing this out, is taking it apart and seeing if there's a battery that needs to be replaced, because sometimes replacing the battery is a lot cheaper than replacing the whole unit. But that's what I'll look at, and you can come along with me I should say, and we'll see what's happening. So I'm going to take, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws out. I'll take that out, take it apart, and we'll see what it looks like. All right? Stay tuned. All the screws are removed. So let's take it apart and see what we got here. Easy, because I know there's wires. So lots of wires. Gotta make sure that I'm not messing anything up. So let's go. I'm gonna turn this around and face it this way. Oops. I heard something pop. Oh, that's the board that has the lights on in here. So here's the battery. That's why it's so heavy. Let me do this. That'll probably be half the battle. And yeah, like this thing just pops right in like that. And here's the battery. So it looks like it's bolted like a car battery. As you can see down here, it's a little, probably 10 millimeter, and one on the other side. And then I'll get this apart and see if it's worth, is it cheaper to replace the battery or replace the whole thing. So let me get this disconnected, and then I'll get back to you. So I looked it up, $63 for a battery. I think I paid for this on sale, it was like 80 bucks. So I don't think, I'm going to take a look. I don't think it's worth just replacing the battery on this, because like I said, you know, sometimes they go on sale for like 80 bucks, or I can maybe find a different one, but it's the same one except a different brand. I'll show you kind of comparison, so you can kind of see that it's the same type of battery, you know, positive, negative on each side. So I was kind of a little disappointed. I thought maybe it was going to be a little bit bigger savings. So maybe I'll keep looking, but for now I think I'm going to get a different one so that I can have it for jump starting. So all right, I appreciate everybody watching. Subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't already, I appreciate it, really do. And I'll have more videos coming up real soon. Thanks for watching.